Hi, I am standing here day one of the Lotus Hill house project. It is a home that my husband and I have purchased, and we are so excited to take on this project. It's a house that's been sitting empty for a couple of years, and every single inch of it needs renovation, and we are here for it because this house needs love. It needs me and Dave to tackle it, and it has so much potential. It's on over an acre of land here in Chanhassen by Lotus Lake. The lake pretty much surrounds probably almost half of the property. It's not directly on the lake, but all the houses around it are. And I am so excited just to kind of renovate this home and make it ours. So here you can see it in the background. It's got a solarium and a front like screen porch up in the second level. So I'm going to take you in for a little tour of the before. Yeah, so let's go. Get ready for this. So now remember, this is ground zero, day one. This is the entrance. This is like, it's built in a hill. So this is like the first floor, I guess. So this room is probably like a recreation room, but this is what I'm going to use to meet clients and do some small shoots and things in. So this is all obviously carpet getting torn up. Every inch needs to be fixed. But look at this. Look at this. It's a solarium. This is like a dream. Obviously the hot tub will go, but we're going to fix this up and get some plants, and it's going to be gorgeous. And then in the back here, we have a bathroom that will get fixed up. Just something little, nothing special. Yeah, so this house has been sitting here for a little over 2 years in very disrepair. Utility room and a storage closet. Then we go upstairs to the main living area. And this is the kitchen. There's not much here. There's an island that I will refinish. We'll keep the island, but I'm going to refinish it. Got a new stove already. And it doesn't have much in here yet because that wall is coming out, because that has to look into the main room there. And once you see the main room, you'll understand. So I'll probably end up putting like another island there so that we can have more storage. But anyway, you gotta see this. Look at this room. That's west, so we get the evening, afternoon sun. Look at that. 3 walls of windows. And if that's not enough, check this out. This is a screen porch. Look at this thing. We're going to sit out here in the beautiful evenings, in the morning. We're going to listen to the quiet and the birds. This was our main selling point. That front screen porch in this room. And this has wood floors under it already. Obviously, carpet comes out of the whole house. Paint the ceiling white, paint trim and walls and everything. A lot of it's just pretty much cosmetic. And then we go in the back here, and then this whole area is going to get redone. So basically, this is the main bathroom right now, and it's got a shower in the back, but we're going to put a bathroom upstairs, so we're not going to need that shower. So we're going to actually cut this bathroom in half, make it a 3/4 bath, or half bath maybe. And then this whole side here is going to be a pantry, a big walk-in pantry, because we are going to need it since we're not going to have much in the kitchen. And then a closet, and then a door to go out to the backyard. And then upstairs, we go to the 3rd floor. Yeah, so every inch of this house is going to be touched for sure. This is like a landing. We'll probably use as an office. Little closet there. It's got one room here. Kind of basic, but this needs a lot of cosmetic. This room. This is an interesting little room, but what we're going to do with this room is turn half of it into our master closet, put a door in from our room, And then the other half is going to be a bathroom, because upstairs doesn't have one. And with 2 bedrooms, we need it. And then this is the main room. Nice pink, lovely carpet. Everything's coming out of here. Gut the whole thing, start from scratch, and then we will close up the attic space, remove these mirrors, and then we'll have another like 3 feet of space in this room. Yeah. So there you have it. That is our fixer-upper. We're calling it the Lotus Hill house because we are on a hill at Lotus Lake. And it's going to be a fun project. I can't turn the phone around, so yeah, it's going to be a fun project, and I'm going to take you along with me. So just keep up with me on here on Instagram. Oh no, this is YouTube. Keep up with me here on YouTube and follow the progress, because I'm going to take you along with me and show you the ins and outs and trials and tribulations, and show you this place when it's all done. So thanks for watching.